Today, we'll be sharing some fantastic tips on how to jumpstart your morning and set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. And no, it doesn't involve dunking yourself in an ice bath. Imagine waking up each day feeling energized and motivated, ready to conquer your goals. With our carefully curated list of morning hacks, you can make this a reality. From simple yet powerful rituals to effective techniques, we have got you covered. Stay to the end to capture them all. 1. Welcome the sun. Leave your curtains open slightly overnight to let the sunlight flood in as the morning starts. Natural light will boost your mood and energy levels and make getting out of bed a bit less tiresome. 2. Awakening. As you wake up, take a moment to appreciate the gift of a brand new day. A positive mindset from the start can make a significant difference in your day ahead. Yes, we all hate being woken up, especially by an alarm, therefore find a song that brings you happiness and set your alarm to that. Another great trick is to pick a song that starts off quiet and slow and builds. It will more likely wake you up in a more positive mindset. 3. Hydrate. As we know, water is our best friend, therefore start your morning by rehydrating your body. Reach for a refreshing glass of water to kickstart your metabolism and re-energize your system after a night's rest. 4. Stretch and move. Get your body moving with some gentle stretches or light exercises. We don't need hardcore exercises here. Stretching will boost blood circulation, release tension, and prepare you physically and mentally for the day ahead. 5. Nourishing breakfast. Get your body fueled with a nourishing breakfast. Choose foods that provide sustained and slow-release energy, such as whole grains, fruits, and proteins, to keep you energized and full throughout the morning. If you're an extra slow person to wake in the morning, try making your breakfast the night before by preparing overnight oats or similar to make your mornings more stress-free. 6. Mindfulness practice. Take a few moments to practice mindfulness or meditation. These practices will help center your thoughts, reduce stress, and promote a calm and focused mind for the day ahead. 7. Plan your day. Before diving into your to-do list, set clear intentions for your day and plan accordingly. Identify your priorities and visualize your goals to give your day purpose and direction. Organize your time wisely to ensure productivity and avoid feeling overwhelmed. 8. Review your goals. Take a quick look at your long-term goals or a vision board. Reminding yourself of your aspirations keeps you motivated and focused on the bigger picture. 9. Positive affirmations. Recite positive affirmations either out loud or in your head to boost your confidence and self-belief. Affirmations like, "I am capable," or "I embrace challenges with ease," set a positive tone for your day. Let us know what affirmation you use in the comments below. 10. Listen to uplifting music. As you get ready for the day, listen to music that fills you with positivity and enthusiasm. Music has a profound impact on our emotions and mindset. Embrace its power. 11. Don't rush. Avoid rushing in the morning by setting your alarm clock earlier, giving yourself plenty of time to wake slowly, and embrace the tips mentioned to set a peaceful tone that will carry you through the rest of the day. There you have it, 11 easy tips to jumpstart your morning and create a day filled with positivity, energy, and productivity. Make these tips habits and you'll set the stage for a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Thanks for joining. Remember to subscribe for more inspiration to make every day your best day. Till next time.